You know her as the Virgin Queen of England, but there are secrets about Queen Elizabeth I that history books barely mention. From strange beauty rituals to unbelievable political tricks, here are the facts you've never heard.
Hi guys, welcome back to Sara's Canva studio. In today's video, we're checking out a really cool tool called Short AI. It's an AI platform that helps you create short, viral-style videos for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and more. If you've ever struggled with editing, coming up with ideas, or just keeping up with posting consistently, this might be a game changer. So, what exactly is Short AI? It's basically an AI video assistant that lets you take a long video, like a podcast, webinar, or even a YouTube video, and automatically cuts it down into short, engaging clips. Think of it like having a smart editor that finds the best hooks and highlights for you. Here are some of my favorite features. 1. AI Clip Maker. It can pull out 10 or more short clips from just one long video. Perfect for repurposing your content. 2. Faceless video options. If you don't want to be on camera, you can create content like fake text message videos, dialogue stories, or even Reddit-style narration. 3. Automatic subtitles. It adds subtitles in seconds and not just plain text. You can add emojis, captions, and fun effects that make your videos look more professional. 4. Script Generator. Stuck on ideas? Just paste in a link or choose from their templates, and it'll write you a script. 5. Scheduling and posting. Once your video is ready, you can schedule it to go out on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, even Pinterest, all from one place. The best part is how much time it saves. Editing and subtitling normally take forever, but Short AI can do most of it in just a couple of minutes. And for anyone who doesn't want to show their face, this tool makes it super easy to still create content that feels personal and engaging. Of course, AI isn't perfect. Sometimes you'll want to tweak the clips or fix subtitles if it mishears a word. And while they do offer a free plan, some of the best features are part of the paid version. Now let's get into the process of creating our very first faceless AI video with Short AI. Let's log in and go to our dashboard. I'm going to click AI Story Video. This takes us to a page where we can type in our own custom script or let AI create a script for us. I already had a topic in mind, so I went ahead and had ChatGPT generate a script for me. Anyway, let's copy and paste our video hook, video CTA, and our video script. I chose the topic 10 unknown facts about Queen Elizabeth. Then I'm going to click Next. I will choose my style. I went for Disney style. Then I will choose its caption style and then finally hit Generate. Now I'm going to click Generate and wait for it to do its work. And that's literally it. No effort, just 2 minutes of work and your video is ready. The best platform for videos like these is YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. So if you want to grow your audience fast, use all 3 platforms simultaneously and watch her page blow up. Now let's check out our video.
You know her as the Virgin Queen of England, but there are secrets about Queen Elizabeth I that history books barely mention. From strange beauty rituals to unbelievable political tricks, here are the facts you've never heard. Queen Elizabeth I is remembered as one of the most powerful rulers in history. Behind the crown and portraits lies a woman full of mystery, eccentric habits, and clever strategies. Today, we'll uncover 10 little-known facts about Queen Elizabeth I that will completely change the way you see her. Fact number 1, she owned more than 3,000 gowns. Elizabeth loved fashion. In fact, she had an enormous wardrobe of over 3,000 dresses, shoes, and accessories. Clothing wasn't just style, it was a political weapon. By dazzling courtiers with her elaborate outfits, she reminded everyone of her wealth, power, and unmatched presence. Fact number 2.
If you were to do this all from scratch, You'd not only have to generate images, you'd have to create or do your voiceovers. You'd need a video editor, and you'd also need a caption maker. But with Short AI, you just had to add your script and it did all the work for you. Imagine how much time this saved for you. Now you can just create videos like these from the comfort of your phone wherever you are. And just hit upload on all the platforms without having to spend days and weeks planning, scripting, and editing your content. You have Short AI for that. If you want to create these videos, I have a link to Short AI in the description. Sign up using that link and start creating your viral faceless videos on it. Don't forget to comment below what you liked most about this video and what you'd like me to review next. Until then, subscribe, like, and keep watching this space for more.